What's up guys, Mr. DS18. Check this out. Our 10th year anniversary Pro Series has just landed. Check this out. We have the PRO-64XA and the PRO-68XA. XA means 10th year anniversary. In the Pro Series, we're going to open this bad boy up, check it out. We're going to connect our 4-ohm, which we already had set up here on our Jeep Gladiator door panel, so you guys can check that out. And we have a super tweeter with LED lights connected as well to this door panel, so you guys can hear the mid and the tweeter combined together, so you can see it's the perfect combination. So we have the 4-ohm installed. This is the 8 ohms. Let's get the boxes out of the way. Let's open this up so you can check this bad boy out. PRO-68XA. Got warranty card, DS18 sticker. We got a nice, cool DS18 manual. It's like goldish color. Open it up. Check it out inside. Awesome. Cardboard. And we got the mid. Check out that mid. Let me close this up. Get it out of the way. Check that out. Check that out. Real nice. I like what we did here. You guys can see it has the DS18 logo. Check that out. Then it has a star, 10th anniversary edition. DS18 paper cone, edge surround. This is foam. It's real nice. Looks good. Check out the back. Black stamped basket. DS18 logos. 10th year anniversary. PRO-68XA 8 ohms. This is a 6.5 inch. 500 watts max power, 250 watts RMS. Specs on this guy. This is 250 watts RMS, 500 watts max power, 96 dBs. Frequency response starts from 80 hertz all the way to 6.3 kilohertz. Voice coil is 1.5 inch voice coil. Nice, good looking. Now everybody wants to hear it. You guys want to hear it, so I have this pretty much hooked up. All we need is to give it some power. Where's the power wire? On the LEDs, I piggybacked the tweeter to the mid. This is the 4-ohm. We got some red light in there. Let's see. Check that out. Looking good, huh? Looking good. Let me flip on the switch. There we go. Grab my phone. Let's open up the playlist here. This is the 4-ohm, guys.
But you can't even feel it. Try to deny it, but it's coming from someone you love. Not the wisest to deceive.
Let's switch songs. Let's switch songs and see more results. I love how they sound. In the door panel, the tweeter next to it. Nice mid bass. It obviously, with the tweeter next to it, it gives it that complete perfect combination. Let's pick out another song here. I'm picking random songs, nothing preferred.
My head in the clouds, I don't know where we go. I feel like it's changed love.
Check out the vocals. Check out how those vocals sound.
In my mind, feeling that kind of love. I feel like a deep hole. Give me something that I can give you here. Tell me what you're thinking. I need to know you're feeling. If you can show me, you need to know my story.
And there you guys have it. The new 10th year anniversary Pro Series by DS18. You guys know what to do. Make sure you check it out. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it loud.